Imagine you have a super intern. This intern can code a website within seconds and write a novel within few minutes. But here is the catch. They can't read your mind. If you mumble a vaguest request, they will give you a vaguest result. But if you give them a blueprint, they will build a castle. That in turn is the generative AI and the blueprints. Those are called prompts. Today, we are not just defining what a prompt is, we are learning how to write them so you actually get what you want. So, what is prompt? Put simply, it is an input you give to an AI to get an output. Basically, it is an instruction. It can be simple like write a paragraph about your favorite cricketer, or technical like write HTML code for drop down menu. But here is where most people stop. They ask simple questions, get boring answers, and blame the AI. If you type rich man's story from a small town, that's what we called native prompting. You are asking simple way possible and the AI is going to give you a generic story. Now watch what happens when we add a little bit flavor. Write a short story about the struggles and achievements of a farmer who become a rich and influenced businessman in 10 years. See that we didn't just ask for a rich man, we gave him a history, we gave him a struggle. The output isn't just generic anymore, it has a soul. To go from amateur to expert, you need to master four building blocks of perfect prompting. Think of these as ingredients in your recipe. The first one is what. What do you want model to do? Write an essay analyzing global warming. The next one is why or background. Set the scene. In recent decades, rising sea level has changed weather patterns. Without why, the AI is just guessworking. With patterns, AI is more focused. Input data. This is raw material. Feed AI specific info to work with. For example, use this dataset of specific ocean temperature record. The last one is how. Set the rules of the game. Write it in 600 words. This acts as a benchmark so AI knows exactly when to stop, how to format the answer. So, a prompt isn't just a question, it is a combination of instructions. Happy prompting, see you in next video.